So what were the highlights of the Chelsea Flower Show 2024 for us three grow bags? What amazed us about the show gardens was the different atmosphere each of the designers had managed to recreate. From the architecture of Sir Christopher Wren to a forest bathing in a birch wood, the strong message of the Bridge to 2030 garden, and the intelligence and integrity in the Water Aid garden. But for us, the real highlight was being invited on to one of our favourite gardens, the Octavia Hill Garden for the National Trust, designed by Anne-Marie Powell. It just brought such exuberance and colour and just made you feel happy to be on it. By contrast, our other favourite was the very cool, calming space of the National Garden Scheme Garden, designed by Tom Stewart Smith. And again, we were lucky enough to land with friends and were invited on for our own little personal look around. It was simply stunning, stunningly stylish, cool and calm. In the pavilion, it was the She Grows Veg stand that we absolutely loved, all displayed like a still life painting from an old master. And the proteas, they were fantastic too. Definitely my favourite stand in the pavilion. The sweet peas were a joy, and we absolutely loved watching Sue Kent strut her stuff in amongst the clematis. Highlight in the sanctuary gardens was the flood resilient garden.
If this was my backyard, I'd be a very happy person.
We can't finish without mentioning the Hope After Humanity stand, the apocalyptic scene after we have ruined our earth and the houseplants take over. Or our visit to the most luxurious tree house you're ever likely to see. All in all, a great day out.